Good evening, my friends. We made it to the Hyatt House. Have my wife with me. I'm back in the US. Been back for a while. So I have my lovely wife with me and my friends from Indonesia staying with us. Say hi. We are here to meet Miss North Sumatra.
I don't say hi. I say no, no,
You say, no, that means hi.
Opung of Chicago.
The Opung of Chicagoland. My Batak wife. Who are we meeting? Penchant, the daughter of Penchant. Miss North Sumatra.
But she's not here yet. She's getting ready.
Not here yet.
She's resting in the room right now.
Henni and I wearing ulos. See?
But not really matching.
Batik Batak.
Batik Batak.
Sort of matching. Yeah.
Batik Batak Batok.
They use this style.
You show them, show.
Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so check it out. Oh. Toraja maybe. Toraja is similar to Batak, you know.
Oh, this is Batak.
So it's the same materials they use for blankets?
No.
Different material, but it's the same style, design.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so they use the blankets, and they have different patterns for different occasions. You know? Yeah, for birth, for marriage, for parties, for funeral. Yeah.
Proudly represent the land of paradise.
Yes. Visit Lake Toba.
First time Miss North Sumatra here is going to try Chicago pizza. We have two types, kind of more of the thicker deep dish style, not serious deep dish, and we have the square cut, real Chicago style. I like the edge pieces too for these small ones.
So
because the
we
cheese.
hold it with the hand or with the fork?
Oh, we hold with our hands,
Okay.
like Batak person.
Like Batak person, eat with the hand.
Yeah.
Hi, Horace.
Lisoy.
Lisa.
Enak. Kind of cold, you know?
Delicious. But I like it. The green one, it looks like andaliman.
We had pizza once, right? That used andaliman. And where were we? Samosir,
In
right?
Samosir, there's a lot of
they have it,
pizza andaliman.
Pizza with andaliman. Yeah. That's the Batak sambal. Okay.
So Horace,
Alright.
now we're in Hyatt House in Chicago, and we're eating pizza.
Pizza.
Cold?
Cold pizza.
It's cold now.
Yeah.
The thick one still warm.
Oh, this one.
Perhaps.
Not only the
I'll try the
andaliman,
thicker one.
but we also have this one. Big dish.
There we go.
As you can see, it's really nice.
That one has the whole, like, sliced tomato. Tomat. Well, and then mushroom, I think.
Mushroom and egg.
I don't think egg. There's no
Cheese.
cheese. Two types of cheese, mozzarella and like cheddar. Yeah.
Let's taste it.
Tabo.
Cabo 9.
Tabo 9.
Cabo. It's Mexico.
Cabo.
That's Cabo.
Cabo.
Cabo. Hey, so you know.
Tabo means good. Tabo.
Cabo is like enak for
Enak.
Batak people. Yeah.
Good.
I have Batak wife.
Oh, Batak's queen.
Yeah. And
Oh, you see that?
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're talking about the complexities of Batak
Nggak
life.
jadi ngambil adatnya.
Marrying into Batak.
Sebenarnya ya.
This is
Yang
like
penting aku juga kemarin
very
dikasih.
complex.
Itu penjahitan dari kamu.
So, from today, you are a panjaitan.
Oh no, tadi.
Horace ito.
No, oh, you're a notary, like you give a stamp of approval. Horace.
Crowning moment with pizza.
All right, yeah.
Panjaitan. So,
Panjaitan.
I will call him Ito.
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 Yeah.
Horace Ito.
Horace Ito, and Ito goes back.
This has become official.
Yeah.
Official.
All right.
official announcement, he become Gary.
Corey.
He become Corey Panjaitan.
Wow.
Hemat tuh Horas kita.
Wow, Horas. Puji Tuhan.
Puji Tuhan. Nggak usah ngadet-ngadet.